Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. If you want to follow along with this, you will need 2 different colors of yarn with an appropriate sized crochet hook for the weight of yarn you have chosen. And here are the instructions for the swatch. All right, I have my 8 rows of single crochet. I have not finished the last single crochet. So if you want to unwork yours so that you have 2 loops for the single crochet on your hook, and pull the second color. So I've dropped the yellow, I've picked up red, have it tensioned, gonna yarn over the red, pull it through those last 2 loops. Use the yellow to snug up that bottom part of the stitch. Then I'm going to turn. And I'm going to hold these. I'm going to decide that this is the back of my work. Your tails need to go to whichever side is the back of your work. Chain 1. And then continue with the single crochets. I have worked my first single crochet. I have this loop hanging out here. I'm going to turn the work back to the back side. The side that we just worked on. And I'm going to pull this red tail. It's going to convince you that that's not it. Just pull it hard and it'll pull that loop in. All right, if you want to cover both your tails, cover both your tails, but definitely cover the new color tail. But if you're going to be carrying this tail, don't cover that tail. Just the one stitch is sufficient for it. And we'll just single crochet all the way across here. And it's as if I've always been working in the red. We just keep going all the way across. I cover my tail for about 5 or 6 stitches or so. Right, here's the front side. Here's the back side. You would just weave in your ends. If I had carried this one, it would be up the side, and it will get covered with an edging later. And that is how you change colors in single crochet. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, Sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!